Assalamualaikum. This is Muhammad Karrar Hussain, and you are watching Karrar Hussain YouTube channel. So I'm back again with more 5 openings, और ये 5 openings 5 डिफरेंट पोजीशंस के लिए है, 5 डिफरेंट लोकेशंस के लिए है. मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपसे कहा था कि प्लीज़ कमेंट बिलो योर लोकेशन. आपने कमेंट करा आपका लोकेशन. आपके लोकेशन के हिसाब से आपके लिए मैं 5 डिफरेंट लोकेशन की जॉब लेकर आया हूँ. कंपनी का नाम है साइटल, और साइटल हायर कर रहा है वर्क फ्रॉम होम के लिए. ये 5 जॉब्स वर्क फ्रॉम होम है. सो व्हाट विल डू, विल डिवाइड दिस वीडियो इनटू 5 पार्ट्स. In the first part, we'll discuss about Hyderabad location. In the second part, we'll discuss about Chennai. In third part, for Mumbai location. For fourth part, for Gurgaon location. In fifth part, we'll discuss about Bangalore location. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you never miss an update, and please click that bell icon. क्योंकि आप लोग वो बेल आइकन को क्लिक नहीं कर रहे हो और ऑल पे सेट नहीं कर रहे हो, आपको नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आ रहा है. मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं डेली 5 वीडियोज़ अपडेट करता हूँ, बट मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ कि नोटिफिकेशन सबको नहीं जा रहा है. तो प्लीज़ क्लिक ऑन दैट बेल आइकन. स्टिल अगर आपको नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आ रहा है, आप मेरे चैनल पे आ सकते हैं. मैं डेली 5 जॉब्स अपडेट करता हूँ. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो साइटल इज़ हायरिंग फॉर हैदराबाद लोकेशन फॉर टेक्निकल सपोर्ट नॉन वॉइस प्रोसेस. Any undergraduate, graduate can apply. Freshers are also eligible. Age required from 18 years to 35 years. Minimum qualification, intermediate. Maximum qualification, graduate, undergraduate can be considered, but should have not be regular college student. Pursuing candidates cannot apply. Experience, any undergraduate or graduate fresher can apply. Communication skills, exceptional spoken skills in English is required. Shift, rotational shift. And must 5 working days, 2 weeks off. Interested candidate link is given in the description box. Please go and apply. Now coming to the second opening, Sitel is hiring for Chennai location. Any undergraduate, graduate can apply. Job summary: answer inbound calls within the guidelines goal established by the client and management. Consistently achieves calls quality goals in order to meet clients and customer satisfaction goals. Primary responsibilities: Sitel is hiring for international technical support voice process. Age from 18 years to 35 years. Responsibilities: provide technical support to international customers. Shift timings should be flexible to work in US rotational shift. Desired skill: need excellent communication skills in English. Must have strong technical knowledge, hardware, software, and technical concept. 5 working days, 2 week off. Transport, home pickup and drop facilities provided. As of now, it's work from home. Rounds of interview: Jam, HR, voice and accent, technical test, operations round. All interview will be happen over telephonic or Skype. Note: any candidate applying for this position should be okay to work from office as well. The selected candidate should be able to join as soon as possible and have all documents handy for background verification. Interested candidate link is given in the description box for Chennai location. Now coming to the third opening, Sitel Mumbai is hiring for domestic technical voice process. Candidate should have broadband connection with Windows 10 system. Any candidate applying for the position would work from home during lockdown period. Hiring for technical customer service for voice process. As of now, it's work from home. Eligibility criteria: good communication skills is required. Education qualification: minimum HSC passed out. Any graduate, fresher and undergraduate with good communication skills required. Experience: HSC plus 6 month experience required. Graduate, freshers can apply. Should have basic technical knowledge. Shift timings: 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. 9-hour shift. 6 days of working, 1 week off. Interested candidate link is given in the description box for Mumbai location. You can please go and apply. Coming to the fourth, Sitel is hiring for Gurgaon location. Role: customer service representative, India, Gurgaon. Job summary: answer inbound call within the guidelines goal established by the client and management. Consistently achieve call quality goals in order to meet clients and customer satisfaction. Any candidate applying for this position should be okay to work from office as well. Responsibilities: provide technical support to international customers. Shift timing should be flexible to work in US rotational shift. Education: high school student or equivalent. Any undergraduate, graduate can apply. Interested candidate link is given in the description box for Gurgaon location. You can go and apply. Coming to the fifth, ये चारों ओपनिंग साइटल के लिए थी, बट फॉर बैंगलोर लोकेशन साइटल के लिए ओपनिंग नहीं थी, बट मुझे बैंगलोर के लिए भी आपके लिए एक जॉब पोस्ट करना था, तो बैंगलोर के लिए कोई दूसरी कंपनी है. So Ignite Human Capital Services is hiring for voice and non-voice process for Bangalore location. Salary they're providing from 2,75,000 rupees to 4,25,000 rupees per annum, and experience required from 0 to 5 years of experience. We are hiring for customer support executive, voice, profile associate or senior associate, technical and customer support. Requirement: good communication skills is required. Experience required 0 to 5 years. Age criteria 18 to 33 years. Shift rotational. Location: work from office. Current location should be Bangalore or who are willing to relocate to Bangalore immediately. Benefits: unlimited incentives plus traveling allowances. Responsibilities and duties: the primary responsibility of a customer service specialist will be handling escalation and complex queries, manage large amount of incoming and outgoing calls, answers call professionally to provide information about products and service, take cancel orders or obtain detail of complaints, identify and access customers' need to achieve satisfaction, build sustainable relationship and trust with customer accounts through open and interactive communication. Key skills required: proven customer support experience or experience as a client service representative, excellent communication skills, ability to listen and active problem solving skills, good interpersonal skills, ability to handle pressure, ability to multitask, prioritize and manage time effectively. Any undergraduate, graduate can apply. English is preferred. English is required. Rounds of interview: HR round, voice or worsened voice and accent operation. All the rounds are held through telephonic. As of now, it's work from home. After pandemic, it will be work from office. Interested candidate email ID is given in the description box. यहाँ पर भी मैंने दिए. You can go and apply. And please do share with your friends. मैं आपके लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जॉब्स लाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपको जल्द से जल्द जॉब मिल जाए. So do share with your friends who are actually in need of job, and you can also support us by subscribing my channel so that I can share more free jobs to you. And you can also join my Telegram channel. Compared to YouTube, I share more jobs on Telegram. Link is in the first comment of the video. Thank you. Best of luck. Hope you all are safe.